How should I say? This is the Mosquito Loco. This one is Chica Chopper. The next one is Piston Love. All of our designs are designed in Spain. Piston Love. Then Stallion. Moto Botellón. Then on this side, we have Europapi, which is the face of the mosquito. Then our next is Corazon Tattoo. Then we have Mosquito, which is the original design of Europapi. Then we have Robopapi. And then finally we have the Mosquita. And all these designs are the backs of the shirt so that they can be seen from a motorcycle. And then the fronts of the shirt have the signature across the chest. And then we also design and manufacture wristbands in the shape of motorcycle tires. So we have a motocross tire and a street tire, and then two different designs of chains. And the chains can be worn as anklets as well. We've been featured in magazines and articles in Europe. We were recently written up in the Laguna Beach magazine, and this is the Europapi shop.
So you have an online, individuals can shop online?
Yes, they can, at Europapi.com.
Thank you so much for giving me a tour.
Thank you.
And the name of your business is?
Europapi.
Thank you very much.